The appeal is upheld with costs, including costs of 2 counsel to be paid by the first, second, third, and sixth respondents, jointly and severally, the one paying the others to be absolved, together with ancillary orders. I hand down the judgment.
Ithimba labameli bakaMagudumana lithi lisacubungula isinqumo senkantolo futhi kungenzeka lisiphonsele inselele. uMagudumana ubefuna ukuthi inkantolo ikuhlonze njengongekho emthethweni ukubuyiswa nokuboshwa kwakhe eTanzania.
We would have to consider strongly that we pursue the matter to the Constitutional Court. We remain resolute and we remain confident that we have a meritorious case. Our argument is centered around whether one can consent to an illegality.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA lusamukele isinqumo senkantolo.
This is a vindication of our long-held view, firmly so, that the deportation from Tanzania in 2023 of Dr. Magudumana was above board. There was no untoward conduct on the part of the team that escorted her. We note the minority judgment that upheld the appeal. However, we strongly believe that we'll meticulously and vigorously argue for it to be dismissed, even if they were to explore another avenue, which is the last hurdle, the Constitutional Court in Braamfontein.
Udokotela uMagudumana ungomunye wabasolwa ababhekene namacala okusiza ekweqenejele kwesiboshwa esalahlwa ngamacala okubulala nokudlwengula uThabo Bester. Ukuqulwa kwecala lakhe kuzoqala mhla zishumi nomuvo kuNtulikazi.